The question is, CP and CV are the specific heats at constant pressure and constant volume, respectively. Now, it is observed that Cp minus Cv is A for hydrogen gases and Cp minus Cv is B for nitrogen gases. So we have to find the correct relation between A and B. Now how to solve it? Let molar heat capacity at constant pressure be Xp and molar heat capacity at constant volume be Xv. So Xp minus Xv will be R. We know that X equal to MC. So for Xp it will be MCP and for Xv it will be MCV, which is equal to R. From here we can find Cp minus Cv by dividing both sides by capital M. So Cp minus Cp will be R by M. We have divided by M on both sides. Now it is given that for hydrogen A is equal to R by 2 and for N2 B is equal to R by 28. So if we put these values here, we will get two equations. Cp minus Cv equal to, on the denominator it is M, on numerator it is R. From here we can put the value of R as 2A. And similarly, Cp minus Cv will be 28B upon M. By dividing this equation, we will get A by B as 14. Just divide this equation. We will get 1 equal to, this will cut, 1 equal to, M will also get cut, 2 by 28 A upon B. This will be 14. Therefore, just take 14 on the other side, cross multiply, we will get A by B as 14. Therefore, A will be 14B. This is the relation between them, A equal to 14B.